Wish us luck. It's beautiful out finally. Looks like it's gonna be beautiful for 10 straight days, so we're gonna get as many miles as we can. Alright guys, it's day 14 of the trip. Day 8 of riding bikes. So we're just got on the bikes. It's 8 o'clock in the morning here in Alaska. We got 120-ish miles, a little less I guess, to get to our next stop. And we'll see how we do today. It's supposed to be mostly flat, but in Alaska it doesn't seem like anything's flat. So we're gonna pull into the gas station, get a little bit of ice just for our knees and stuff, and we will update you guys when we have service again. Thanks again, guys. So, nothing at Dot Lake. Don't worry about stopping. Just keep on riding. We are headed to Talk. We have 40 miles to go. It's windy. The wind's picked up. It's been a steady climb for the last 15 miles. So yeah, so we got another 3.5 hours of riding.
Hey guys, day 15. Yep, we're getting ready to go hit the road. This was our motel behind us. We stayed the night in Talk, took a day off. We did 200 miles, 2 days. We needed the rest, especially at the beginning still of this trip. Technically it's still the beginning. So we probably got about 90 miles to Canada. Possibly won't hit that today. That's all right. We just got a goal of only about 50, 60 today. If we got more in us, we'll take it there. But we'll see. But we're ready to go. Glad you guys could join us. Okay guys, we just weighed ourselves. We're at the weigh station here. It's closed, not for us though. And between me and my bike, it's 300 pounds. And with William, it's 440.
Aurora's walking the next one.
Aurora decided to poop in the cart, so now it's cleanup time.
Okay, so it is a little after 12 on Monday. We slept in because it's been raining and snowing off and on since about 3 a.m. So instead of getting up and going in traditional pour, we decided to sleep in, and now we're getting on the road. It's still raining, but we stayed at a beautiful little campground, Lakeview Campground. It's super awesome. Had a view of the lake all night. Nice sunset. So we are about 45 miles away from the border, so we're gonna hit that today and then continue on into the Yukon, and we'll see how far we get today, but it looks like it's gonna be rain off and on, and we don't want to get super soaked today. So wish us luck. We will check in with you all later. Thank you.
There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games.
Okay guys, we just left Border City Lodge. It's a lodge right after you cross into Alaska. Awesome people let us come and stay with them last night. So warm, so comfortable, so happy, well rested. We're on our way to the border.
Playing games though.
Anyway, drive safe.
All right, thank you very
Ride
much.
safe.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Take care. Watch out for the wildlife.
Yeah.
See you later.
For
All
sure,
right,
thank
take
you.
care.
Take care.